Her real name is Elia Mary Shalish and her nickname is Sniper Wolf. She was born on October 22nd, 1992. Currently in 2023, she is 22 years old. She is 5 feet 3 inches tall, weight 51 kilograms. She is YouTuber and social media star by profession. Her nationality is American and British. Her religion is Christianity. Net worth is $3 to $4 million. His name is Daniel Novesu Jr. His nickname is DAX. His birthplace is Ottawa. He was born on 22 March 1994. Currently in 2023, he was 29 years old. He is 6 feet 2 inches tall. His weight is 78 kilograms. Years active 2017 to present. He is singer and actor by profession. His nationality is Canadian. YouTube followers 1.7 million. YouTube subscribers 5.37 million. Marital status, he is unmarried. His net worth is approximately $1 million. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.